Alright, so here we have our template ready to go. I haven't drawn anything on it just yet because I don't know, I'm still debating on what I want, but at least I have the basic foundation done. So we're about to cut my arm out of here. I just want you guys to be careful. Please be careful when you guys are doing this. When you're cutting out templates, try to pull a little bit away from the body, just so then you don't accidentally cut into your skin. But also don't pull too hard because you don't want to yank the scissors out once you cut it. So once I was done with the pauldrons, I didn't realize how low the ends of these actually go, which means that this design here is not really gonna work out. So what I think I'm gonna be doing instead is doing this design that's on the thigh armor, putting it up here and taking this Bowser hand and flipping it down to my actual hand. And hopefully it'll look good. Here is the base of the breastplate, guys. Kind of just looks like this. My plan is to keep this part open here and then use Velcro and then make a separate piece for the belly part in order to go on top, because this is going to be how I'll be coming in and out of the breastplate itself. So yeah, hope you like it.